welcome back to my channel, FunX Creation. Hello guys! So it's a beautiful today, so today we are outside of our house to shoot this part of the video for you guys. Hey Caesar, are you ready to make this beautiful video today? Yeah, I'm ready to make this beautiful video today. So why not you tell my subscribers what I'm gonna make today? Oh, yeah, sure, why not? So guys, today Caesar is going to make DIY split air conditioner. Yeah, you're absolutely right, Tweezer. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Let's go!
So for this you'll need cardboard, craft wire, glue, and some paints. So let's start with split air conditioner. So as you can see, I've taken these two pieces of cardboard and you can see the shape. This is the exact shape you want for this air conditioner, and this is the measurement on your screen. Now I've taken another piece of white card paper and it's little thin, so this one will be this measurement. So after taking these two, I'll just take white card paper and I'll just trace the exact same design of these two card papers. So you can see how accurate they are. Okay, so I'll take this cardboard and I'll just start sticking it over here on the corners. This way. So you just have to stick halfway through, so that will give the body of the air conditioner, and then you have to fold it accordingly with the design. Okay, so here I'm using hot glue gun to stick them. So as you can see, this is how it looks right now. Now I'll just start sticking the other side too. Now as you can see, I've taken this shape again of white card paper and it will be stuck over here. As you can see, this is the shape you want. And then another piece of white stripe. So that I'll stick first half inside and half sticking out the other side. So this is how you exactly have to stick this halfway inside, and after you do that, I've taken this tiny piece of craft wire and I'll start rolling a white paper with it. So once the rolling is complete, I'll stick off the edge. So this is what kind of coiling I get, and now I'll just cut it from the half. So now as you can see, I've got two other coilings. Now I've taken this white card paper stripe and I'll be sticking these two craft wire on each of the sides. So again, you have to make sure the point is outside. And now I'll be sticking another piece of white card paper stripe over here on top of the other so that I can secure it properly. So this is how it will get stuck over here. And now I'll be placing the coilings over here on each of the sides. And now I can stick it to the other cardboard. So that's done now. As you can see, this is moving like this, and this was exactly what I needed for the split air conditioner. So after that, I'll take this red gelatin paper stripe and I'll be sticking it over here. Just a tiny little stripe over here. So my dear subscriber asked me to make a split air conditioner with a touch up of red and white colors. So that was what I was doing over here with that red strip. And then I'll be start painting this part, the sticking out cardboard part, with black paint, and also half of the inside part black as well. Because you have to make sure that the black and the dark side is seeking out through. And then I'll be sticking this part of the air conditioner, which I've made right now, over here. Ta-da! It's done, as you can see, and this is also moving. This part is completely fine. Okay, so as you can see, this is the white card paper cutouts, and I'll be sticking it on each of the sides to cover the cardboard. And if you want, you can also paint the air conditioner with white fabric paint, but over here I had white card paper, so I decided to use that instead. And now, as you can see, I've taken this piece of black card paper and you get this shape over here. So I'll be sticking it over here. So this will be the place which indicates the temperature. And then I'll just mark some little bit numbers over here, and then I'll just stick this translucent sheet on top of it to give the classy effect. And once that is done, I'll just use this silver card paper and I'll stick it as well. And now I've already painted this part. So this was the power saving guide and the star rating kind of thing. So you can also take a miniature printout of it, or you can paint it by yourself. It's really easy, trust me. And then I'll just stick it on this corner. So now I've taken this white card paper stripe again. And I'll stick it over here on the air conditioner, halfway through again. So this is the final look, guys. The split air conditioner is now ready, and you can see how beautiful it looks, and also it provides so much cool air. Just kidding, it doesn't, because it can't work in real life. Obviously, it's just for show. So this is the final thing, guys. I hope you liked it. And guys, if you want to see me making the other AC, which was like kind of few years back, if you want to see me making that, then make sure you comment down below and tell me. So I'll think if I'll make it in my next video. So this was it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
So before ending this video here, I would like to say that if you love me and my work, then please make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to become a part of my FunX army. And also, if you want to connect with me, then follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and also make sure to follow me on my Facebook. So this way I can connect with you all on all the social medias and different platforms. And guys, if you all want, you can comment down below anything that you want to see next in my videos, and I'll try to make all of them really